Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming Outlook and OS updates so we avoid known bugs. Next, back up your PSD or OSD and jot down account settings. This safeguards mail and avoids surprises. Once done, close Outlook and temporarily disable third-party add-ins to eliminate extensions as the cause. You want a clean baseline before deeper fixes. If an update is pending, install it. Otherwise, move straight to account and file integrity checks to repair corruption or sync problem. You now run the inbox repair tool on any local PSD to fix corruption, locate scamps and follow prompts, then restart Outlook. Once that's done, verify each account's server addresses, ports, and authentication method because wrong settings break sync. If a specific account still misbehaves, remove and re-add or create a new profile to force a fresh sync. Make sure to pause after each change and confirm mail syncs so you can isolate the exact step that resolved the issue. Finish by re-enabling add-ins one at a time so you can identify conflicts. If mail breaks after enabling one, disable it and look for updates. Once done, reset view settings or clear the Outlook cache to restore missing folders and folder counts. If problems persist, start Outlook in safe mode to confirm core functionality and collect error messages before contacting support. One key troubleshooting tip: replicate the issue on another device or web Outlook to determine if it's profile, client, or...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.